Setting up your seller accounts correctly is the foundation of a successful online arbitrage business. In 2026, marketplaces are more connected, secure, and compliance-driven than ever before. The way you set up your accounts determines not just your ability to sell, but also your long-term credibility and growth potential. Let's begin with Amazon Seller Central. When registering, always use legitimate business information, your legal name, address, and verified contact details. If possible, form an LLC or limited company. It provides legal protection and increases your trustworthiness in the eyes of marketplaces and suppliers. Amazon may request verification documents such as utility bills, business registration certificates, or tax IDs. Make sure all your documents match exactly, no discrepancies in names or addresses. Consistency prevents delays and account suspensions. Next, link your payment and tax details carefully. Use a dedicated business bank account and a business email for all correspondence. Avoid using personal accounts. Separating your business finances simplifies accounting and tax filing. Set up two-step verification for added security. Once your Amazon account is active, take time to configure key settings properly. Update your return address, create clear shipping templates, and configure automatic pricing rules if you plan to use repricing software. Also, activate your FBA settings if you plan to use Fulfillment by Amazon. This ensures your products are shipped, stored, and delivered efficiently. For Walmart Marketplace, the approval process is more selective. You'll need a strong business profile, tax documentation, and a history of e-commerce sales or fulfillment experience. Walmart values reliability, so make sure your policies, shipping, returns, and customer service are clearly defined. Like Amazon, keep your information consistent across all documents. eBay is more flexible, but still requires accuracy. Verify your identity, link your Payoneer account for payouts, and establish your seller reputation through transparent listings and prompt fulfillment. eBay rewards sellers who maintain high ratings with visibility boosts and better fee structures. TikTok Shop is the newest platform in the mix. Setting up here requires linking your business credentials and verifying your identity through their partner systems. If you plan to sell viral or trend-driven products, ensure your listings meet authenticity and brand compliance requirements. TikTok is fast-paced, but compliance still matters. Across all platforms, consistency is the secret to smooth approvals and stable growth. Use the same business name, logo, and contact details everywhere. Keep digital copies of your registration documents, invoices, and identification handy for quick verification. And most importantly, follow each platform's terms of service from day one. Cutting corners might get you approved faster, but it can cost you your account later. Setting up correctly isn't just about avoiding problems, it's about building a professional foundation. Marketplaces trust sellers who look and act like real businesses. Do it right from the start, and you'll save yourself months of frustration and unlock better opportunities for scaling.